6 divided by 6 gives us 1. And here we have 6 divided by 12. Can be written as 6 over 12. So we have 1 divided by 6 over 12. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we have 1 times 12 over 6, which equals 2. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, when we have more than one division in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division, then this division, and finally this division. If we do this division before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division. 6 divided by 6 gives us 1. So we have 1 divided by 6. And here we have divided by 12. Now we have to do this division. 1 divided by 6 can be written as 1 over 6. Then divided by 12. Now, according to the KCF rule, we can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we have 1 over 6 times 1 over 12, which equals 1 times 1 gives us 1. So 1 over 6 times 12 equals 72. So we have 1 over 72. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 1 over 72.